Get low, back straight, back straight. Circle to the side that he circles to. There you go. Get low. Head control, head control.
Good landing is all you care about.
Get inside control. Get low, get back into stance. Get back into stance. Don't give him that, there you go. Get low, get back.
You're gonna lose a lot of strength.
Inside control, inside control. There you go. There you go. Hold it. Hold it.
Into him. Into his knee. Squeeze into his knee.
Squeeze into his knee.
Into your chest. Arms into your chest. Squeeze into his knee. Arms into your chest. Squeeze.